My people then talk say wetin person never see for this life that be say e never waka reach there. Oh, there is this particular video when they go viral now about couples when e be say they can't do white wedding for inside juju house when they call shrine. Before I go they give una wetin dey for inside that matter, make I first hail una my correct people. Hello my wonderful kings and queens, you welcome back again to my channel. Yes, so I'm back again with another ogbonge gist. My name na Lady G. In case today na your first time when you dey come across this my channel and you never subscribe, abeg make you don't forget to subscribe and just click that notification bell so that anytime when I throw ogbonge gist like this, you know, we fit dey miss am. Yes, my correct people, una go don see one small short video when I first drop at the beginning of this video. So this particular video when I want to show now, so now 2-in-1 video na be this. So I go talk about this couple when they are video they go viral when be say they can't do white wedding for inside shrine, and I will still give una updates about Davido and Chioma when it just they happen now, my correct people. So make I first take am for that side. So as this video they go viral, as I say I never see this kind of thing before, and I never even hear something like this before. Now I say make I still share am for now, make una know what they sup. They say person no dey learn finish for this life. Oh, so this couples now when be say they can't do white wedding, they wear wedding guy and the thing complete finish, the husband and wife, bridegroom, oh, bridal train, oh, flower guests, so my correct people, all of them complete can't be. So as that kind of thing come be, now that kind of thing supposed to be say now inside church now they for the do, because now so me I tell no one, but this one now can't shockalize many people, as the thing they shockalize me say now inside shrine, inside juju house, now they for hold that wedding when they suppose hold for inside church. My correct people, make I drop the video for now first, make una self first still watch am before me myself I go still tell una the one me as sabi for the whole matter. So my people, now don't watch that video. A lot of people they react to that video. People they talk say they no suppose hold that wedding for inside juju house. Why some people they talk say nah their culture now then they practice. Meanwhile some people say they talk say this kind marriage say the thing goes strong well say wahala no go come inside the marriage at all. There is nothing like say fear say they can't say the man can't get side chicken for outside tomorrow sake of say the kind thing when they do for inside that kind of place. This one you know get where you they go now be this one, my correct people. So how now see what you not think? What you not just think for inside that kind of thing when I just watch? So when I don't see this kind of thing before, me I never see am before. I beg, if you be say you don't see am before and it dey happen before, just drop your own comment below at the comment section anything when you think. So my people now for here my correct people, make I bounce to the other side of the gist. So this one they consign Davido and Chioma latest update. So this update when just they come now, just they tell us saying Davido don't return Chioma bride price. I don't say this one will shockalize many people, because many people they talk say Davido and Chioma never ever marry. We don't know where they for marry, which me myself I don't see anywhere when they for do marriage. Meanwhile some people they talk say they do and secretly. So this matter now just they come now because we know say some saga they for ground when it consign Davido and other babes when they cause this wahala say in which Chioma don't share Gary. So one lady confess come out for inside before Madam Kemi Oluloyo self come out, throw away his own for inside too. But before this journalist Kemi first come out, before this journalist Kemi come out, throw away her own, one lady when be anonymous don't first throw away one for inside. She can't post this post, my correct people, which me I go to drop for now, make una self still read them by una self. He can't say, you people don't get it. Davido paid Chioma's bride price so he can claim the baby. In Igbo land, if you have a child out of wedlock, the child automatically becomes your siblings and bears your own name if the man doesn't come to claim the child before the child is born. That one are waiting one lady right. So people when be say them be Igbo people, they go understand this matter well pass we, because me I not be Igbo. And then after she don't drop this thing, then Madam Kemi just come recently. Now she can't talk say they don't return Chioma bride price. So the thing come dey shockalize many people, say when they even do the marriage, not to talk of to return the bride price. That one are the post when they post about Madam Kemi. That is come to say Chioma bride price has been refunded. You can now stop fasting and praying for Davido. So my correct people, when me they see this something, I can say when they even first do this bride price, because we dey hear say dem do dis thing secretly and nobody believe. Why now we don't get the reason wetin make dem really do am secretly, if e be say dem even actually pay the bride price at all, because I still dey doubt. Why? Because I talk am, because somebody for inside the comment section come throw and talk say na impossible. There is no way e be say Davido go fit pay Chioma bride price, because the time when Davido go do Chioma introduction, when they claim say na dem pay the bride price secretly, say Chioma don get belle and the belle don big well. And for Igbo tradition, say dem no fit pay woman bride price with belle together. My correct people, me I no be Igbo, but for my own tradition where me I come from, we dey forbid. We no dey pay woman bride price with belle. If you do am, that means say you dey marry the mama and the pikin wey dey inside belle together. That one na my own culture, na so we dey do am. So I no know about Igbo people own, because me I no be Igbo. But the thing come dey surprise me when somebody dey talk and say na lie dem talk. There is no way be say Davido go pay Chioma bride price hide, because the time when Chioma get belle, na Davido engage am, and at that same time na he do introduction. So na that same time people dey claim say he pay the bride price. Say how come when he be say Chioma get belle, say Igbo land say that they forbid. So me no know whether na true. Abeg, if e be say you be Igbo person, when they listen to this something, so now you go understand more better. Abeg, make you clarify us, make you drop your own comment below at the comment section. Make we sef know how it take dey function for una side. Is it possible say even though say when woman they conceive that they pay bride price, they marry am together? I don't know their tradition. Now my own now I talk so the reason wetin make Davido do and hide when he do the thing secretly, when we dey hear be say Davido do am secretly, in the sense that Davido not really get intention say he won't marry Chioma. He only do am out of obligation, in the sense that so that he get full right over his pikin if they born. And say without say he no pay that bride price, that pikin when Chioma born, there is no way when go fit answer that name Adeleke. Now so I hear say you know if he answer that name Adeleke, and Davido that pikin now automatically it go become then Chioma. It go be like Chioma brother or sister. So if you be like their last born or something like that, it not possible. It not fit be pikin go become a brother. I don't know how those kind traditions self, as all those kind things. The thing come be like say everything don't mix together. How it take a function. So now because of that one, I say Davido no get choice. He need to pay the bride price, and I make am do am secretly. Make anybody not know, just because say he go get full right over each child. Now when he can't return the bride price to the to the family of Chioma, let's assume he say all these things not true. Because these things I see they fit say all of them are allegedly. If he be say he don't return, and that means say that pikin now will come the answer Adeleke. My people, I want make una help me answer that question. That means say this is fine when he be say now Davido pikin now he don't become Chioma brother. Make una help me answer all these questions. And again, I want to know whether for Igbo land, whether they pay person bride price, even when the person get belle, whether they do them together. Because somebody talking, me I not feel arguing because I not be Igbo. So now people when be Igbo now then get they in the position to answer that question. So my correct people, make I leave una for here, and I hear the whole story go end today. Make I close this chapter so that next time I go see give an update if you still did this matter. I beg, if it be safe, you get any comments or anything when you want to add to this thing, just drop your own comment below at the comment section. I know say some people will talk say you know go leave Chioma matter alone. Chioma matter go always there, as far as say that they give us updates. Now go need to advise Chioma say as things come be now, be like say everything be like say they hot. Now she have to come on for social media for now. As far as say she did social media every day, they drop different posts and we they hear different news. We always get waiting go they talk. So if you really love Chioma, tell how to stay out of social media for now for the public, so that they not go see how matter they talk. I be my people are not talking well. So make I leave now for here. I beg, if you be say today now your first time and you never subscribe to this my channel and you like my gist, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates, so that anytime when I throw ogbonge gist like this, you know, if you miss her. And now when be my returning subscriber and my viewers, God will bless you. I appreciate you so much. I go see you now very soon for my next video. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.